Hello everyone, welcome to Phaipedia. My name is Deepak and I am a research scholar at Indian Institute of Management. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the 11th PAN IIM World Management Conference WMC 2026 which will be at IIM Shillong. So watch this video till the end. I will discuss all about this conference. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel Phaipedia for such related videos related to the international and national conferences, PhD admissions at IIT and IIMs, and also related to the summer school project, summer schools, and the faculty development programs, and many more about the research work. So also you can write down your queries in the comment box of the videos and also write us on our email ID phipedia@gmail.com. So let's discuss about this conference. So this is the 11th PAN IIM World Management Conference WMC 2026 at IIM Shillong. So the theme of this conference is driving sustainability and inclusive growth for nation building. This conference will be from 3rd to 5th December 2026. So these are the partners. These are the things about this conference. I will not go in detail about this. This is about IIM Shillong. So let's talk the important things. So call for papers. So this conference welcomes the original contributions from the researchers, scholars, practitioners, and thought leaders in the following areas focused on but not limited to the conference theme. So these are the focus areas. First one is economics and public policy. Second one is marketing management. Third one is entrepreneurship, innovation, and new business models. Fourth one is operations and supply chain management. Next one is finance and accounting. Next one is organizational behavior and human resource management. Then AI, information systems and analytics, strategic management and liberal arts, indigenous knowledge systems, and other domains in the management research. So let's talk about the submission guidelines. So for conceptual papers, ideas in briefs and case studies, all the above should be in 1000 to 1500 words with no specific format. Also for research papers, for abstract, the extended abstract should be within 1000 to 2000 words, including the appendix and references APA style. Okay, preferred typeface is Times New Roman 12 point or single-spaced with justified. Okay, the extended abstract should be easily readable, suitably uh, sectionalized and free of grammatical errors. It should be submitted as a PDF or a Word document. The extended abstract should ideally have the following sections. First one is introduction, then literature review, then data and methodology, then result and discussion, and then conclusion and managerial and social implications. Okay, so first one is introduction, second one is literature, third one is data and methodology, fourth one is result and discussion, fifth one is conclusion and managerial or social implications. So submission of the abstract indicates that the corresponding author representing all other co-authors agrees to transfer the copyright of the abstract only or explicitly permitting the conference committee to publish the abstract in the conference proceedings. Okay. For full papers, the full paper should be limited to the 8,000 words and including the appendix and references in APA style. Preferred typeface is of Times New Roman, same 12 point single spaced and justified. The full paper should be same, readable, suitably sectionalized and free of grammatical errors, and it should have the following sections: introduction, literature review, the data and methodology, result and discussion, conclusion, and managerial social implications. Publications opportunities will be provided to full papers only. So the extended abstract will not get the opportunity to publish the papers, only the full papers will get the opportunity to publish the paper. So the publication opportunities will be the selected full papers will be considered for publication in the reputed journals such as Journal of Global Marketing, Vikalpa, IIMS, Journal of Management Science, IIMB Management Review, FIIB Business Review, and Review of Management Literature. Also the best paper award, so the best paper award will be conferred across each of the conference track, okay, and including the economic. So these are the areas in which the conference track will be there. So the best paper award will be given to that particular track. Also this awards honor scholarly endeavor that transcend technical rigor to offering insights into the deeper patterns, paradoxes, and possibilities that shape managerial thoughts, inviting us to reimagine how organizations and societies might flourish amid complexity. So let's talk about the accommodation. So the institute will offer limited single occupancy accommodation in campus on first come first served basis, subject to the applicable of additional charges. So the accommodation will be provided on single occupancy on first come first served basis, but the additional charges will be given. You have to pay. So the submission opens on 1st May 2026. Submission closes on 31st July 2026. Acceptance notification you will get by 15th September 2026. Registration opens by 18th September 2026. Registration ends on 20th October 2026, and the conference date will be on 3rd to 5th December 2026. Now let's talk about the submission fees details. So for the research scholars, the submission fee is of INR 5,000 rupees plus 18% GST. For academics and faculties, INR 9,000 rupees plus 18% GST. Industry professionals, INR 15,000 plus 18% GST. And for international presenters, USD $250 plus 18% GST. Okay, so these are the submission fee details. These are the important dates. Keep in mind, and the Director in charge, IIM Shillong, Professor Nalini Pravat Tripathi, and these are the conference chairpersons. Okay, these are the conference advisory committee, directors from the different IIMs, and this is the contact email ID or the number you can connect with IIM Shillong. And I hope you like this video and you get all the details about this conference. So thanks for watching, and also, as mentioned earlier, if you are new to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel Phaipedia for such related videos. And if you really like this video, share this video with your friends, like, comment your queries, and write us on our email ID phaipedia@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.